Want this smooth, TikTok red glow text for your edits?
This is being a soldier. This is being a soldier.
Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a TikTok red glow text. So let's start the tutorial. Get ready with your composition and add your intro and text animations. If you want to know how to make it, then you can watch this video after this video. After adding the text, pre-compose your text layer. Now add deep glow to your text comp, and now copy my settings for the red glow text effect. Set the radius at 800. Set the exposure to 0.85. After that, go to Tint and enable it. Now choose your color. You can choose any color of your choice. After that, change the mode standard to soft light. After that, search for BCC drop shadow and add it to your text comp layer. Now follow my settings. Duplicate the drop shadow effect 2 times by pressing Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Now the most important step is that you have to add your best color correction. As you can see, adding a good color correction can increase your quality to go viral on any social media platform. And if you want to get this exact color correction, make sure to check first link in the description where you can get all of my presets for your edits to boost your quality. So don't waste your time and check out my shop where you get everything in a cheaper price. Now export your edit and enjoy this new effect. If you like this video, then make sure to like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.